is precious, don't you see? It helps us be the best we can be. From morning light to setting sun, time is ticking, always on the run. When the clock goes tick-tock, tick-tock, it means it's time to start the walk. But whether it's school or time to play, use your time wisely every day. Use your time wisely every day. There's a moment for work, a moment for fun. Time keeps moving, it waits for none. If you waste it, it flies away. But if you use it, it helps you stay. Once there was a little boy named Sam. He had a clock shaped like a lamb. It ticked and tocked throughout the day. But Sam would often waste his play. "I'll do my homework later," he'd say. And then his time just slipped away. His toys were fun, his games were grand, but soon too late he'd understand. A second here, a minute there, can build your dreams with love and care. So don't delay and don't be late. Time won't stop, it's a steady gait. Now I see young Sam declared, time's a friend when we're prepared. With each tick-tock he used it right, and played his games with pure delight. Each day's a gift, each hour a chance, to learn, to grow, and to advance. So when you hear the clock's soft chime, remember, dear, to value time. Use your mornings to rise and shine, and your evenings for rest nice and fine. Just like Sam, you'll find your way if you use your time every day. Use your mornings to rise and shine, and your evenings for rest nice and fine. Just like Sam, you'll find your way if you use your time every day.